Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm excited to share a top on-sale product recommendation that's perfect for boosting your Wi-Fi coverage at home or in the office. Introducing the Xiaomi Repeater WiFi Pro MI Amplifier Network Expander. And the best part? It's available now for just $4.11. Let's dive into the key features. This compact device, model R03, measures only 80 by 54 by 70 millimeters. Small enough to fit anywhere without taking up much space. It's powered by a reliable MT7628 kCPU running at 580 MHz, paired with 2 MB of ROM and 8 MB of RAM. Though modest on paper, it's perfectly engineered to handle your network signal boosting needs. One of the highlights is its dual external antennas. These antennas capture and amplify your existing Wi-Fi signal, extending your network range and improving coverage. It supports IEEE 800 2.11 wireless standards and operates on the 2.4 GHz frequency, delivering speeds of up to 300 megabits per second. That means smoother streaming, faster downloads, and more stable connections, even in those hard-to-reach corners of your home or office. Security is also taken care of with built-in WPA-PSK and WPA2-PSK encryption, keeping your network safe from unauthorized access. Plus, it's designed to work in a variety of environments. It operates from 0 to 40 degrees Celsius and in humid conditions up to 90% RH, while consuming only 3.57 watt of power. Installation is a breeze. Simply plug it into a power outlet near your router, configure the settings, and you're all set to enjoy an expanded Wi-Fi range. Whether you're working, gaming, or streaming, this network expander can help eliminate dead zones and keep you connected. So if you're looking for an affordable and effective way to boost your Wi-Fi coverage, the Xiaomi Repeater WiFi Pro MI Amplifier Network Expander is a fantastic choice. Click the link in the description below to get yours now for just $4.11. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more top on sale product recommendations. See you in the next video.